Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into entrepreneurship, showing you how to turn that business idea into a money-making machine. Whether you want to be the next big disruptor or just your own boss, this is your step-by-step guide from concept to cash flow. We're talking about the nitty-gritty, understanding your audience, navigating the legal maze, and building a brand that pops. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's turn that entrepreneurial fire into a raging inferno of success. Listen up, entrepreneurs. Before launching your business, you need to understand your market. This is about knowing your customer better than they know themselves. What keeps them up at night? What makes them pull out their wallets? Become obsessed with your target audience. Who are they? What are their pain points? What solutions are they craving? This isn't about guesswork, it's about data. Use social media analytics, conduct surveys, dive deep into online forums, identify them, understand them, and then you can start crafting a business that speaks directly to their needs. Don't underestimate the power of market research. Get this right, and you're already miles ahead of the competition. Alright, so you've done your market research, you know your audience inside and out. Now it's time to translate that knowledge into a rock-solid business plan. This is about a lean, mean, actionable document that outlines your vision and the path to get there. Start with your value proposition. What makes your business unique? What problem are you solving that no one else is? Map out your revenue streams. How will you make money? Be realistic and specific. Outline your marketing and sales strategy. How will you reach your target audience? What channels will you use? Your business plan is your roadmap to success. It keeps you focused, accountable, and moving in the right direction. Let's talk about the fuel that ignites your business engine, funding. Securing capital can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Understand your financial needs. How much money do you need to get your business off the ground? Once you have a clear number, explore your options. Bootstrapping, angel investors, venture capitalists, crowdfunding. There are countless avenues to explore. Remember, investors aren't just investing in your business. They're investing in you, in your vision, in your passion. Create a budget, track your expenses, and manage your cash flow wisely. Securing funding is a crucial step in your entrepreneurial journey. Approach it strategically and be persistent. Chapter 4. Legal aspects. Kanuni pahelion separe. The legal side of starting a business is not something you want to mess with. Choose the right legal structure for your business. Sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, each has its own implications for liability, taxation, and more. Consult with a legal professional to figure out what works best for your specific situation. Make sure you're compliant with all local, state, and national regulations. This includes obtaining the necessary permits and licenses to operate legally. Taking the time to understand and comply with legal requirements will protect you from potential headaches down the road. It also demonstrates your professionalism and credibility to investors and customers alike. Chapter 5. Branding and Marketing. Apni Pechan Banao, Dunya Ko Batao. It's time to talk about building a brand that doesn't just stand out, it screams for attention. Your brand is more than just a logo or a tagline. It's the emotional connection you build with your audience. Start with your story. What's the why behind your business? What are your values? What makes you unique? Translate that story across all your marketing channels. Social media, content marketing, paid advertising, influencer collaborations. Experiment with different strategies. Consistency is key. Show up consistently, provide value, and engage with your audience authentically. Building a strong brand takes time and effort, but it's essential for long-term success. Chapter 6. Operations and Supply Chain. Business K Engine Chalao. Now it's time to get your hands dirty and build the operational backbone of your business. This is about streamlining processes, maximizing efficiency, and creating a seamless experience for your customers. Map out your entire operation, from sourcing raw materials to delivering the final product or service. Focus on building a reliable supply chain. Establish strong relationships built on trust and transparency. Invest in tools and software that can automate tasks, improve communication, and provide valuable data insights. The more efficient your operations, the faster you can scale your business and achieve your goals. Chapter 7. Monitoring and Adapting. Badal Tawakt Kasath Chalain. The journey of building a successful business is not a straight line. It's a rollercoaster ride with its fair share of twists, turns, and unexpected bumps along the way. Constantly monitor your progress, analyze your data, and be willing to adapt your approach as needed. Set up systems to track key performance indicators, KPIs, that align with your business goals. Embrace change, stay agile, and never stop learning. The more adaptable you are, the greater your chances of building a business that thrives in the long run. Outro. Aga badho aur safalta payo. There you have it, entrepreneurs. Your roadmap to turn that brilliant idea into a thriving business. We covered everything from understanding your market to securing funding, building a brand, and navigating the legal landscape. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest takeaway from this video? Drop a comment below and let's continue the conversation. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more actionable insights and advice on turning your entrepreneurial dreams into reality.